Imagine a world where you could start an online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping. That's what platforms like Spocket promise. But does Spocket go beyond just providing products and shipping? Does it help with branding? Let's find out. Ever heard of a store that sells products with no branding? It's like buying a generic brand at the grocery store. But is that the case with Spocket? Today, we're going to dive deep into Spocket and see if it can help you build a strong brand. For those who are new to Spocket, it's a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers around the world. You can find products, add them to your store, and when a customer orders, Spocket sends the product directly to them. It's a great way to start an online store without a lot of upfront investment. Branding basics. Before we get into Spocket, let's talk about branding. Branding is more than just a logo or a name. It's about creating a unique identity for your business that resonates with your target audience. It's about making a connection with your customers on an emotional level. Does Spocket help with branding? Now, the big question, does Spocket help with branding? The short answer is, not directly. Spocket doesn't provide branding services or tools. However, it does offer some features that can indirectly help you build a brand. Indirect branding benefits. Product variety. Spocket offers a wide range of products, so you can find items that align with your brand's aesthetic and values. High-quality images. The suppliers on Spocket typically provide high-quality images of their products, which can help you create a professional-looking online store. Fast shipping. Spocket's fast shipping times can help you deliver a positive customer experience, which is essential for building brand loyalty. Easy returns. A hassle-free returns process can also contribute to a positive customer experience. Building your brand. While Spocket doesn't offer direct branding services, it provides a solid foundation for building your brand. Here are some tips for using Spocket to create a strong brand identity. Curate your product selection. Choose products that align with your brand's values and aesthetic. Create a unique brand story. Tell your customers why your brand exists and what makes it special. Invest in high-quality branding elements. Design a logo. Choose a color palette and develop a consistent brand voice. Engage with your customers. Build relationships with your customers through social media, email, marketing, and customer service. So, does Spocket do branding? Not directly, but it can provide the tools and resources you need to build a strong brand. By curating your product selection, creating a unique brand story, and investing in high-quality branding elements, you can use Spocket to create a successful online store. Remember, branding is an ongoing process. It takes time, effort, and consistency to build a strong brand. But with Spocket as a foundation, you can create a business that stands out from the crowd. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.